Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Daily Vibes, the podcast where you learn English by listening to real daily conversations. I'm Julia.
And I'm Steve. Our goal is to help you speak with confidence. We talk about real life, work, and travel.
We keep it simple, slow, and fun. So relax and enjoy the episode. Let's get started.
So we are very happy today. Are you happy?
I am. But I know today is a special day. Why?
Because it is our first video, and I am very nervous. Is nervous the right word?
Yes, it is normal to be nervous. Everyone feels nervous on a first day.
I want to speak perfect English, but sometimes I make mistakes.
Mistakes are good. We learn from mistakes. And today I have a secret trick for you. It helps you speak with more confidence on your first day.
A secret trick? I love secrets. Can you tell us?
Yes, but only at the end. First, let's talk about a funny story from your morning.
Oh no, my morning! Let's go.
So tell me, you went to a new office today, right?
Yes, I was very early. I walked in the door. I saw a nice lady at the front desk.
And what did you say to her?
I wanted to be cool. I said, "Hey, what is up, my friend? How is it going?"
What did she say?
She looked at me. She was very quiet. She said, "Hello, do you have a meeting?"
She was very serious, right?
Yes, and I wanted to say yes, but I said, "Yes, I have a date."
A date? Date is for a boyfriend or girlfriend.
I know now. She looked at me and said, "I am sorry. We don't have dates here, only meetings."
Oh, that is so funny. What did you do?
I was very red. My face was red. I said, "Oh, sorry. I have a meeting."
Good. That is better. Then you went to the office, right?
Yes. I entered the room. Everyone was working. I said very loud, "Greetings, people of the world."
Greetings? Why?
I don't know. I wanted to be polite, but everyone looked at me. It was very quiet.
You were very funny today. But you learned a lot, yes?
I learned a lot. Simple is better.
Okay, let's look at the words. First word, meeting.
Meeting. It is a work conversation?
Yes, I have a meeting at 10. Easy, right?
Very easy. And date?
Date. Romantic. I have a date with my girlfriend.
Okay, no dates at work.
Exactly. Now, the greeting. You said greetings. It is too formal.
What should I use?
Just say good morning or hello, everyone. It is friendly and perfect.
Good morning, everyone. I like it. It feels natural.
Yes, and what is up?
It is for friends at the park, right?
Yes, use what is up with your best friend. But at work, use how are you?
So, good morning. How are you?
Perfect. See, you are not a robot. You are a professional. Do you want to practice? We have a challenge for you today.
I love challenges. Everyone, comment below, "I am ready."
I am ready. If you comment this, we know you are ready to speak English.
And tell us, what do you say when you meet someone new? Hello or good morning?
Write your answer. We want to read them.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It helps us a lot.
Okay, the time is here. What is the golden secret?
The secret is listen first.
Listen first?
Yes. When you meet someone, wait. Listen to them. If they say good morning, you say good morning.
Wow, that is smart. It is like a mirror?
Yes, a mirror. It makes people feel comfortable, and it gives you time to think.
I love it. I will use the mirror secret tomorrow.
Perfect. Thank you for listening today. Remember, English is fun.
Yes. Bye-bye, everyone. See you soon.
See ya.